Are you just chilling out, wrapped up in a Snuggie? Well, what are you gonna do? You got your head stuck in the arm there, Dorno. What are you gonna do? What? There's a treat. There's a treat gonna go on without you. Vinny, you need... You need some help? You need some help, Vinny? You need some help? Hang on. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay.
Well, somebody better give you a treat now, huh? Sit. No? Sit down. There you go. Oh, we're jerks. That's what you get for stealing my Snuggie.